Imagine facing every challenge, every insult, every setback, and never letting it shake you. Imagine waking up every day with unshakable confidence, clear purpose, and the discipline to push forward no matter what. What if I told you there's a Stoic secret that makes men unstoppable? Something the greatest warriors and leaders in history have known for centuries? If you want to master your mind, reclaim your focus, and start living life on your terms, then this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly men's mindset strategies, Stoic lessons, and tools to dominate your life. Disclaimer: I'm not a licensed therapist or medical professional. This video is for educational purposes only. These are mindset strategies rooted in Stoic philosophy and real-world experience. First, let's look at what Stoicism really is. Stoicism isn't some abstract philosophy. It's a practical, everyday system for controlling your mind and mastering your emotions. At its core, Stoicism teaches that you cannot control what happens to you, but you can control how you react. Life will throw punches, people will disappoint you, situations will challenge you, but the way you respond is your power. This is the foundation of being unstoppable. Learning to detach from what you can't control and fully focus on what you can, your thoughts, actions, and discipline. The secret. The secret isn't a trick, a hack, or some miracle mindset. It's something deceptively simple. Internal control is everything. Most men spend their lives chasing external validation, approval from bosses, peers, or even social media likes. This puts your power outside your control, making you reactive and weak. A Stoic man knows your true strength comes from within. By mastering your mind, managing emotions, and taking deliberate action, you become unstoppable, because nothing outside of you can shake your focus, discipline, or purpose. Example: Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, faced war, betrayal, and empire-wide chaos, and yet he wrote about peace, calm, and control. His secret? He never let external events dictate his inner state. To take this from theory to action, here are 3 powerful Stoic habits that can make you unstoppable. 1. Morning reflection and journaling. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each morning reviewing your goals and mindset. Ask yourself, what will I control today? How will I react to challenges? This sets your mental tone for the day. 2. Negative visualization. Imagine obstacles before they happen. Picture failure, frustration, or rejection, and plan your response. This makes the real world feel less intimidating and your mind stronger. 3. Focus on action, not outcome. Don't obsess over results, you only control your effort. A Stoic man measures himself by what he does, not what others think or how life treats him. This eliminates anxiety and builds unstoppable confidence. These 3 habits, practiced consistently, turn mental toughness into muscle memory. Over time, your emotional resilience skyrockets, and you start to live like a man who can handle anything. Let's look at applying this secret to modern life. Being unstoppable isn't about being invincible. It's about staying calm when everything around you is chaos, about focusing on what matters, and about letting go of the rest. Whether you're at work, in your relationships, or training your body, applying Stoic principles lets you stay disciplined under pressure. Ignore distractions that drain your energy. Take control of your life rather than letting circumstances control you. This isn't philosophy for the books, it's a blueprint for men who want to dominate their world quietly and effectively. So remember, the Stoic secret that makes men unstoppable isn't a trick. It's internal control, discipline, and focus. Master your mind, practice these habits, and nothing outside of you can stop your progress. If you found this video helpful, click on one of the videos appearing on your screen to learn how to apply Stoic principles in relationships, fitness, and daily life, and take your transformation to the next level. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to the channel for weekly strategies that help men build mental toughness, discipline, and unstoppable confidence.